Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having issues with Modern Warfare's multiplayer not working properly on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be just to simply restart your computer. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the issue. If you're still having a problem, you can also attempt to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match to come back with command prompt, right click on it, and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, again exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to help resolve your problem. Something else you can take a look into as well would be actually launching the game directly. So if you want to go directly, you might want to access Call of Duty without using the Cold War launcher, I believe is the name of the medium in which you would launch the multiplayer. You may want to try that as well. But pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.